So let's discuss about antiviral drug classification based on its chemistry. So can you identify what is this particular structure? Yes, this is purine structure, and the derivatives of this purine has found to have antiviral properties, and the drugs belonging to purine analogs are acyclovir, valcyclovir, jancyclovir, pencyclovir, and famcyclovir. Apart from this, diadenosine, vidarabine, abacavir also belongs to purine derivative category, and they are found to have antiviral action. So this is the first class of drugs. And coming to second class, can you identify what is this structure? Yes, this is pyrimidine structure, and the derivatives of this pyrimidine also have found to have antiviral properties, and the drugs belonging to pyrimidine derivatives are edoxuridine, trifluridine, sidovudine, lamivudine, stavudine, salcitabine, and cidofovir. So this is about the second class of drug, that is the pyrimidine analogs. Now coming to the third class, you might not be familiar with this particular structure. So this is basically thiosemicarbazone. We will talk in detail when we individually take the drugs. Okay, so this is thiosemicarbazone derivative, and the drug belonging to this category is called as methicezone. Also it is called as methicezone. Okay, so methicezone is a thiosemicarbazone derivative having antiviral property. And the fourth class of antiviral drugs have you can see this structure. Basically it's a 3-cyclohexane rings, okay, with a configuration like this. So this is called as adamantane nucleus. So we will talk in detail when I take this drugs individually. And the derivatives of these adamantane nucleus has found to have antiviral properties, and the drugs belonging to this category are amantadine, rimantadine, somantadine, and tromantadine. So these are the four class of derivatives which have antiviral properties. Okay, thank you.